Walk through life with a chip on your shoulder and your nerves wound too tight. This tension makes it hard for you to move and fight at your full potential. And so your first lesson is learning to relax. When there's a chance to rest, you must take it, like Goku does.
See, Vegeta, I told your bitch ass you need to start sleeping.
But you have problems too.
Bitch, fuck is you talking about? You fucking gay bitch, I should punch the shit out of you right now.
Being too relaxed can also be a weakness. And don't even get me started on the issues with your overconfidence. No matter how strong you are physically, if you let your focus waver, you're set up to fail. I've noticed many times where you're so sure of yourself you let your guard down in battle.
He's got that one right.
Man, fuck both of you bitch ass niggas.
What is going on up here? Some of us are trying to sleep, you know.
The fuck? This nigga got a bad case of halitosis. This nigga breath is deadly, literally.
He gets like this when he's sleeping.
Huh?
Could